In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Steam failed to start game missing executable. What you want to do is you want to head over to the library, find the game that you're having trouble with. So let's just say it's Marvel Rivals. Then you want to right click Properties, Installed Files, and verify integrity of game files. Once you've done that, check if it works. If it's still not working, we want to close down Steam completely. Search for Task Manager, go to Details. In here, sort by the name, press S, and look for Steam. So find the steam.exe, end task, end process, and make sure all of the Steam stuff gets closed down. Then click here, look for Steam. If it's here, you want to right click and exit. Once we've closed it down completely, you want to search for Steam, right click, open file location, and then do it again. And this should take you to the Steam folder. In here, we want to find the app cache folder, and you want to delete this folder, but don't worry, it's going to regenerate itself. But we want to delete this folder, and then you want to just try and relaunch Steam. Once you've done that, it should hopefully work. Otherwise, you can try and restart your PC and then see if it works. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.